Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 10th question in exercise 4.6. If A matrix is given, find A inverse and use it to solve the equations 3x minus 2y is 7 and 5x plus 3y is equal to 1. So first let's need to calculate the A inverse. The first step of that is determinant of A. So determinant of A in this case is 9 minus of minus 10. So it is plus 19. Now let's compute the adjoint of A. Since it's a 2 cross 2 matrix, we can directly write it. If you swap these positions, it's still going to be 3 and 3 here. Let's change the sign here. So it is minus 5 and plus 2. So A inverse for this matrix is going to be equal to 1 by 19 and into this adjoint matrix, which is 3 minus 5, 2 and 3. Now let's see. Use it to solve the following equation. So the same concept we are going to use. Let's write out the A in this case. So the coefficient matrix is 3 minus 2, 5, 3. See, in this case, if you take a transpose, so A transpose is going to be equal to 3 minus 2, 5, 3. So that is why we are using this approach. So to solve the equations. Now let's find out. We already know A transpose determinant. So in this case, determinant of A is going to be again 9 minus of minus 10, which is going to be equal to 19. Now let's find out in this case xy, because only two variables, so this is going to be equal to 1 by 19 of, and remember we need to write the adjoint of this. So adjoint, when you write, this will become 2 and this will become minus 5. So all we need to do is multiply this with 7 and 1. So let's do the multiplication. So 1 by 19 into, in this case it is 21 plus 2 and minus 35 plus 3. So if you simplify, this is 23 and this is minus 32. You have a 1 by 19 outside. So this means x is equal to 23 by 19. Y is going to be equal to minus 32 by 19. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 11th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.